Thanks for tuning in to another Infinite Flight tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the ATC drag and taxi feature on the ground control position. Available at select airports with an updated taxiway network, this feature allows you to issue specific taxiway routing to aircraft. While you can of course send the standard taxi instructions without a specific route via the Flight Progress Strip menu, tapping on the aircraft icon from the map will allow you to issue full routes and displays the available runways. The available runways are color-coded to easily recognize the most favorable runway based on wind. We're staffing ground control at LAX and November 325 Tango Charlie has requested the taxi. To issue a specific route, I'll tap the aircraft icon, select the desired runway, and it'll always generate the fastest path from the aircraft's position to that runway. To change the route, we can drag any of the displayed points along the path, or start over and drag from the aircraft all the way to the departure runway. The current path will always be displayed as a list on the left-hand side. Selecting any check marks in that list will input a hold instruction along their route. That hold bar will be displayed for the pilot and controller. This can be especially useful to hold for pushbacks and aircraft exiting a runway along the taxi route. To continue, simply advise the aircraft to continue taxi. If you're happy with your route, select send and let's get our traffic moving. Longer taxi routes will be abbreviated to avoid frequency congestion. Now let's simulate taking November 5 Tango Charlie to runway 25 left. Same procedure, tap the runway and let's drag the points so they cross to the departure end and taxi via Alpha on the south side of the airport. This time our route crosses two runways. When sending the instructions, a hold short instruction will automatically be included for the first runway along the route. ATC must issue and the pilots must receive a specific runway crossing for every runway along the route. In some instances, you may want to get an aircraft moving, but you're not quite sure what route is most advantageous yet. In these cases, we can issue intermediate routes by tapping and dragging from the aircraft along a desired route. Tick the check mark at the desired holding point and select send. You can always send a new, complete route anytime along the way. Aircraft arriving at your airport will also be able to request taxi to a specific parking spot. If you don't care how they get there, we can again use the standard taxi to park phraseology found in the command menu. However, much like taxiing to a runway, tapping the aircraft icon on our map will display available runways and the aircraft's requested parking spot at the very top. I'll tap gate 202 at the Tom Bradley terminal, adjust a few points for a more desirable route, and select send. Remember, we must also issue a separate runway crossing clearance for runway 25 right. That's all for this one, and you're all set to get your aircraft taxiing along the same routes used in real life. That's right, realism police can rejoice. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'll see you next time.